Hello everyone.
Boom, boom, boom,
Welcome
boom,
to
boom,
7 Income
boomerang. Boom, boom,
Streams
boom, boom,
Plus.
boom, boomerang. Trade
Are
like a
you
pro
looking to
with
diversify
boomerang.
your income
Trade
and
like a pro
explore
with
new ways
boomerang.
to
Boom,
earn
boom,
money?
boom, 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 boomerang.
Then
Boom,
you
boom,
are
boom,
at
boom,
the
boom,
right
boomerang.
place.
Win those
In
trades with
today's video,
boomerang.
we will look
Win
at
those
one
trades with
such
boomerang.
income
Boom, boom,
stream.
boom, 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 boomerang. Boom, 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 boomerang. There's no AI like boomerang. There's no AI like boomerang. Boom, 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 boomerang.
Hello, and welcome again, guys. It is so good to be back here talking about Boomerang. And it's such an exciting time because if you've watched the older videos, as you can see, we are on a new interface. All right. So, as I mentioned in the previous videos, sorry, please make sure that you have your MetaMask connected after you've signed up. So remember, you have to get a link from somebody who has referred you, sign up, and once you've signed up and you've paid for your Boomerang package, you will be able to get yourself connected to your Boomerang app. As mentioned in the previous videos, you can be a part of Boomerang without getting a referral link by just coming to the website there, app-boomerang.trade, and purchase a license by yourself. So if I click here, you will see the different price license that you can purchase by going onto the website. 500, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, you can see them there. However, if you're going to be taking part in this, why not take part in the affiliate program by joining through somebody's referral link, because you're going to be using it and I'm quite certain you're going to be loving it and you're going to want to be sharing. And with the affiliate program offers you the opportunity to earn while you share, when you share the program. So if you're going to be using it and you're going to be earning, I wish I know you're going to love it, because you have the potential. The ceiling is 3 times the amount that you've purchased. So let's say you purchase a $500 license. You're going to have a limit. Let me go to the front to show you. So you will see your total trade limit here to be 3 times that $500, which is $1,500, and so forth when it goes to the other packages. So if you're going to be using Boomerang and you're going to be sharing, I would say, why not use somebody's referral link and sign up so you can benefit from every time that you refer it to somebody. But if not, and you want to be just passive, you're quite fine just going here and just purchasing your license from here. All right. Another benefit also of you using the referral link to share is that when you share Boomerang with anybody, you also get a free $50 NFT miner, which mines you BTC, BTCC, sorry, BTCC on the BTC20 chain. Now that value, the value of one BTCC now, the last I checked was $61, and that started out from $3 about what is it, 4 or 5 months ago. So why not take advantage of that? Because, you know, BTCC is built on the similar algorithm as Bitcoin, BTC. The same amount of coins as you have for Bitcoin is the same amount of BTCC. So we expect for BTCC to be growing rapidly as well. So why not take advantage of that? You're getting a free miner. But as I said, I'm not giving financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. So the choice is yours. Anyway, so let's look at this new platform. As I said, if you look at my older videos, you'd have seen the platform that it looks at, what it looks like in the beta stage. Now they have worked on the platform to make it faster. So some of the things that were on the earlier platform that would have slowed down the system, they have taken those out, and now we're looking at a newer, beautiful, much better looking platform here, not so crowded as the previous one. All right, and it just takes simply you putting in the token that you would be trading. So let's say for argument's sake it was USDT. You put it in, you put in the quantity you want to trade, and you put in what it's going to be traded against and confirm, and the platform goes to work for you to find those profitable trades. Now you can go and do those trades as often as you have the time to do it to get to your max limit, which you would see here. At present, they're working in putting in the limits for us here. And once they've put those in, then we are on our way to doing the trading. Now, it all depends on you and the time you have. You probably will be able to max out those in a day, couple hours. I don't know how fast you are. Or for some of us who don't have as much time, it could be 2 days, 3 days, a week. It all depends on you. All right. So you'll be given those flash loans as we mentioned as I mentioned in my earlier videos, and you'd have the advantage of using up those flash loans to do your trades. Now, what can be better than that? Where else are you going to get somebody giving you money to trade that you did not have? Okay, you're getting 300 times the money, the license that you purchase. Okay, so when you didn't have $150,000 to your name, you come here, you purchase a $500 license, you have that. And if you purchase the bigger license, then you have 300 times that amount. Sorry. So, yeah, so I just came on here to show you what the new platform looks like. So if you go ahead and purchase your license, this is what you will be trading on. And as you know, it's arbitrage trading. So they're taking advantage of those little loopholes within the market. So for example, let's say you wanted to purchase a house and you went on a website something.com and you saw the house for, let's say, $100, and you went on another website something.org. You see the same house, but that same house is going for $80. Now right there's a $20 discrepancy there in the market. That this is how arbitrage trading goes. Arbitrage will then take advantage of that let us slip there in the market and make that $20. In this case, it's in cryptocurrency. So that is what the Boomerang AI does for us by us just putting in that simple information and taking advantage of the flash loans that we are given. All right, so this is what the DApp looks like. This is the main section. If you go into transaction history and you add any transactions, you'd be able to see your transactions in here. As I mentioned, if you made any subscriptions here on Boomerang itself, you'd go this to the subscription field. This is where you'd go. All right. Now market opportunities here. That's where you'd go to see the opportunities that are within the market. So at present, we're looking at, for example, Rapmatic and Render here, telling you can make a potential profit of 1.089% here. You'd go to the DApp section and you'd put in your Rapmatic that you purchase in and the render that you're purchasing it against or you're pairing it against, and you have the potential to make the percentage that was there. It's just changed. If you look at USDC.E here, you see that against the frax you have a potential of making 1.06. Over here against the WC you have a potential of making 1.24, and so on and so forth, and this will keep refreshing itself. And you can refresh it yourself. We recommend that you refresh it yourself every time you're going to do a new trade. As a matter of fact, open the market opportunities page in a different page, and each time refresh it before you go and put it in, as well as you might not need to. All right. And then now, to make things even sweeter for those who don't have the time to be sitting down on here and putting in the trades for themselves, Boomerang, Chavez, the CEO, and the Boomerang team will be coming in with the AI bot. So here within the AI bot, you'll be able to put in what size trades you want to put in. So let's say you want the bot to trade, let's say $100 at a time for you. The bot will do that trading. You'd put in the pairs that you wanted to trade, and you'd confirm. But I think they're going to be updating this even more, possibly, to, for example, say how long you want the bot to trade for you. So they're still working on this at the moment, but this is quite exciting. Okay, anyway, so yep, so that's what the new interface of the DApp looks like. I just wanted to come on here and show you. If you have any issues, you go in here at the support section and raise a ticket. And purchase history here would be pertaining to any license that you purchase through the subscription section here on Boomerang. Okay, but let me go back to the main screen. This is what the front interface looks like. Okay, and yeah. So if you're interested in signing up to Boomerang, I will leave my referral link in the description. So you can go there, click on it, follow step by step what it asks you to do, sign up, and yep, then you go into WAS, because WAS is where we do the affiliate program through, not through Boomerang. Okay, so you'd sign up in there, you would send your USDT in to your wallet, which you'd see a section there that tells you to create that wallet. You send your USDT in, USDT TRC20, and you would then click to purchase your license. Once you purchase your license, as I said, Then you just come here to app dash boomerang.trade, connect your MetaMask wallet, and once they have put in your trade limit, you're off. You're off like a horse on the racetrack. Okay, anyway, I hope you understand what I've said here and I hope you take advantage of this opportunity. All right. Thanks for coming on again to my
Boom, boom,
channel
boom, boom, boom,
and
boomerang. Boom, boom,
I'll
boom,
see you
boom,
next
boom,
time.
boomerang. Trade like a pro
Like,
with
share,
boomerang.
subscribe.
Trade like a pro with
All right.
boomerang.
Bye
Boom,
bye.
boom, 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 boomerang. Boom, 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 boomerang. Win those trades with boomerang. Win those trades with boomerang. Boom, 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 boomerang. Boom, 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 boomerang. There's no AI like boomerang. There's no AI like boomerang. Boom, 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 boomerang.